What's up, y'all? Angie's here with me.
Hi!
We're adventuring again today. We got the canoe on top of Big Ugly because we made our sweet roof rack. Angie, what are your thoughts on the sweet roof rack?
I love the sweet roof rack. Thank you to everyone that was sharing the photos we shared this morning. That was so sweet. You know who you are.
We literally just finished the roof rack this morning.
Today.
We got the canoe out and we're between New Smyrna and Port Orange on Intercoastal Waterway. We've got a cooler full of subs.
We got our
and
bathing suit.
Dinner. We got our bathing suits on. We're gonna try to find a small island that we can park the canoe up on and
maybe find some shade.
Find some shade, eat some dinner, and just enjoy the day. So we're gonna take you guys with us and we'll see what we can find.
We found an island.
And there's a cactus on
Alright, well we made it to our first little stop on the island here. It's pretty cool looking. We're going to explore it a little bit. I think we're going to eat our dinner first. The boys are a little bit hungry. James is already catching critters. It's pretty cool here. There's all these... Let me see if I can find some. In the shells, there's like all these little teeny tiny crabs. If you live in the southeast, you already know. Public subs, that's the way to go. Me and Low Dog over here got public subs. Angie got a public salad.
It came with Beyond Meat, which makes me so happy because I love these little salad kits for when we're adventuring, but I haven't eaten one since cutting out meat because they don't have options for me, but I found one today with Beyond Meat and I was very beyond happy about it.
Alright, dinner has been eaten. Canoe is parked up where it shouldn't be able to go anywhere. And we're gonna go explore this little island. And then I think we're going to maybe find a different one. I think we can go under the bridge, see what's over there next. But let's see what we can find here first. Alright, we're done at this spot. We're gonna go under the bridge and see what else we can find. See if we can find another nice spot to hang out at, maybe a spot we can swim at. I'll do the OG, we'll enjoy swimming more than just this adventure stuff.
I'm so proud of myself. Can I tell what I did?
If you want to.
I'm proud. This is an accomplishment.
Okay.
I peed in the woods.
Yep, if you ever come here, Angie's Pia is over there. All right, we found a nice shallow spot. We're gonna let the boys splash around in the water a little bit, and we're just going to enjoy the afternoon. Look what she did. She got all muddy.
I don't care. Nobody knows me here.
And look what she did to the kids. She told them it would be fun.
Listen, I learned. Guess what I learned?
I don't know. What did you learn?
That elephants cover themselves in mud to protect themselves from the sun's UV rays. If elephants can do it, why can't I?
Because you're a human who has sunscreen.
And it's really fun.
Had to give it a try. It feels really nice. I want to put it on my face, but I'm afraid I'll get laughed at.
I'm afraid you won't be able to get it off, and this is salt water.
That's fun.
What is natural sunscreen?
It's a really good thing we made it back when we did. When we got here, the water started down there past the sign. Now, yikes.
Well, we got the canoe all loaded back up on top of the van. Boys, did you have a fun time?
Yeah!
Yeah. Angie, your thoughts?
I had fun. I loved putting mud all over me. I know it sounds silly, but don't knock it till you try it.
You still have mud all over you. Through the arms, the back. This was a good time. I recommend it highly. And we do have another adventure we're gonna go on. I'm not sure how much of it you guys are gonna be a part of, but if you are, then you are. We're headed to the beach. All right, friends, we are in South Daytona Beach Shores, which is obviously just south of Daytona Beach. The beach is on the other side of those houses. Boardwalk right here. We're going for it, and we're gonna take you along. Thank you guys for watching this video.
Thank you so much. We appreciate you. We love you. You're awesome.
Yep, be sure to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment if you have a place like this that you like to visit.
And even if you don't, an emoji will do.
Sure. All right, y'all. We'll catch you on the next one.
Bye, guys. Mwah. We're getting there.
Good?
Good.
Good. Angie's getting splinters in her butt.
How did you know? I didn't know you were recording, and I was going to tell you, and then I saw you were recording, and I was like, nope, shut her down. Ouch.
I'm trying to record part of the thing for the thing. Let me help you down. Stay there. Let me record.
Okay.
Stay there. All right, we've eaten dinner.